Hello people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm gonna making lemon macarons, which is I will use later for decorating a birthday cake. This is my first macaron video, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. First, we are gonna mixing the almond flour and powdered sugar finely with a food processor, because the finer your dry ingredients, the smoother the top is gonna be. Then I'm just gonna sifting them and discard any larger pieces that didn't go through. And I will just combine these lightly together and set aside. Next step, I'm gonna place my egg whites in a mixer bowl and start beating on low speed and gradually move on to a higher speed. When it begins to foam, add a pinch of salt and granulated sugar. Then just continue beating until a soft peak forms. Add some yellow food coloring and go ahead beating until stiff peaks. And now we are ready to combine the wet and dry ingredients, so first add a third of dry ingredients to the meringue and gently fold in together using a spatula until you reach the perfect consistency. Then keep going with the rest of dry ingredients until you reach a slightly falling like wet sand ribbon. Now when the butter is ready, place the butter into a pastry bag with a round tip and begin piping little circles. To help maintain a constant size for each one, I would recommend you inserting a template under your parchment paper. Tap the baking tray on a flat surface a few times to release any air bubbles and make sure you do not skip this step. Let the macaron rest for at least 30 minutes, and when they are ready to go to the oven, you can just touch them with your finger and they are dry. We will bake this for about 15 to 18 minutes, and you really want to watch them carefully until they are cooked evenly. Remove from the oven and cool to room temperature. Now when we are waiting for the macaron shell to cool, we can start to make our filling. First, pour the heavy cream into a saucepan and put over medium heat. As soon as you can see a little bubble forming around the edges, then you can just pour over the white chocolate in. Stir gently until the chocolate has fully melted. Add the zest and juice of 1 lemon and some drops of lemon flavoring essence. Once the filling is smooth, cover with plastic wrap to avoid drying out and let it cool completely for at least an hour. When everything is cool, then we can pipe a dollop onto a macaron shell. Then press the sides together and you're good. Now, I wanna hear from you. Have you ever made macarons before? If so, maybe you have another tips, idea, then I would be very happy to hear all from you. Just write down in the comment below. Please take a second to like the video if you enjoy it, or better yet, subscribe to my channel to get a new update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!